Hello students, Namaste. This part, that is part 4 of data representation. In this part we will understand how to convert decimal number to octal number and octal number to decimal number. So this is conversion from decimal to octal and octal to decimal. Let us begin. Decimal to octal conversion. I'll just read it and you will understand. A decimal number can be converted to octal by using same method as we have used in decimal to binary conversion, but with a division factor of 8 instead of 2. Remember, when we were converting our decimal number to binary, we were dividing that decimal number by 2, and now because we are converting decimal to octal and the base of octal number is 8, so we divide the decimal number by 8. Okay, so we will move forward. Just see the example. Convert 29 base 10, that is your decimal number, to its octal equivalent. You can see now. So if we will divide this 29 by 8, so quotient will be 3. So when quotient is 3, so write this quotient here, and remainder is what? 5. So remainder is 5 here. Same way as you had converted your decimal number to binary. Now this 3 should be divided by 8 again till you get 0. So if you divide 3 by 8, it is not possible to divide. So 0 time, remainder is what? Only 3. Okay, so this quotient should be written here, and 3, this should be written in remainder part. And write your answer from MSB to LSB. So 3, 5. So write remainder from MSB to LSB, and answer is 3, 5, and base is 8. So you can say now 29 is equivalent to 35 in octal. This is your answer. One another example, convert 266 base 10 to its octal equivalent. Now see, if you will divide 266 by 8, your quotient will be 33 and remainder will be 2. Same way, do you understand? Same way, if you divide this 33 by 8, so quotient is 4, so 8 4 is 32. So quotient is 4, remainder is 1. Now same way, if you divide 4 by 8, not possible to divide, so it will dividing it by 0 time, remainder is 4, write remainder here and quotient here. Write your answer from from MSB to LSB, from bottom to top. So write remainder from MSB to LSB, and answer is 412 base 8. So this is your answer. We can say that 266 base 10 is equal to 412 base 8. So this is the way how to convert your decimal to octal conversion. Now decimal fraction to octal conversion, just try to understand. To convert decimal fraction to octal, multiply the decimal fraction by the base, that is 8 radix, and write all the number which are at the left side of the decimal point from top to bottom. For example, convert 0.375 base 10 to octal, yani decimal to, this is a fractional part of fractional decimal. So multiply by 8, that is answer will come 3. Answer will come 3. Write integer part in this order from top to bottom. Fraction part from top to bottom or integer part from bottom to top. Stop multiply when you get 0, 0 in result of multiplication. And your answer is 0.3. So you can say that 0.375 base 10 is equal to 0.3 base 8. Now, one more example. Convert 0.015625 base 10 to octal. Now, just multiply 0.15625 by 8 and your answer will be 0.125. So this number you had to write here. Now this number you have to divide, you have to multiply again by 8. And you will get 0 at decimal, after decimal part, and left side you will get 1. Write this 1 here and write your answer from top to bottom. So stop multiply when you get 0, 0 in result of multiplication. Your answer is 0.01 base 8, and you can say that 0.015625 base 10 equal to 0.01 base 8. Do you understand now? It is the same like decimal to binary. Now octal to decimal conversion. Any octal number can be converted to its decimal equivalent by adding together the weights of the various positions in the octal number. So with the example we will understand clearly. Now see, there is one number. You can see now, convert 732, it is a number, octal number, to its decimal equivalent. Same way as we have done in binary, just write down that number here and write this digit 2 here into 8, where in binary case we were using 2. Here because base is 8, so we are using 8 raised to the power 0. So any number having power 0, that means 1. 1 into 2 is 2. Write there 2. Write this 3 here. 3 into 8 raised to the power 1. Just increase the power of 1. So 8 raised to the power 1 is 8 into 3, that is 24. Write there 24. Now write this 7 here with the arrow to indicating that we are writing here, we are solving it. 7 into 8 is the power 2. The power is increased, and 8 to the power 2 is 16. Sorry, 8 to the power 2 is 64 into 7 is 448. So total is equal to 474 if you will add these all. So your answer is 474 base 10. It is converted into decimal number. Okay, convert 24.68 to its decimal equivalent. Now it is a mixing, means fractional part. This number is having fractional part also. You can see now complete question is solved here. So write first convert 24, that is 4, write this 4 into 8 raised to the power 0. So 4 is answer. Write this 2 here into 8 raised to the power 1. 8 to the power means 8 into 2 16. Add this one. Answer is 20. Now convert fraction part. 6 into 8 raised to the power minus 1, that is 0.75. Now add all these numbers and you will get your answer is 20 plus 0.75 is equal to 20.75 base 10. So it is converted, this octal number is converted into decimal number. So this is how you can convert your decimal number, octal number to decimal number. So this is the way. Okay, so I think you understood. So try to convert numbers, octal numbers into decimal number by this way. Okay, so next time we will meet. Okay, bye bye.